there! I'm Kaptain Splash. I'm the superhero of swimming. I'll teach you to be water safe with all my swimming skills, along with all my sing-along friends here in Splashville. Myrtle the turtle, Octi the octopus, Starry the starfish, and that's just a few. You'll learn all about what your body can do. My superpower is to teach with song and rhyme, and that helps you remember what you learn every time. You'll learn to float and you'll learn to swim, from blowing bubbles to jumping in. Each week, you'll learn something new. You'll be amazed at what your body can do. I'm so excited for you to see the show, but now Kaptain Splash has to go. See you soon. Bye. So don't forget, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.
Are you ready to learn how to swim? All right then, let's get in.
Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Sean and I want to tell you about the character Kaptain Splash. I've been teaching swimming lessons for about 15 years, showing up as this character, Kaptain Splash, the superhero of swimming. And it has made a world of difference in how the kids react to me.
I can't wait to go swimming with Kaptain Splash.
They think they're going to see a superhero and the lessons are almost flawless. Now, in this new chapter of Kaptain Splash, I'm so excited to tell you that we're going from the pool to the big screen. We already started production on the first pilot season and shot the first music video. It was a ton of fun. A bunch of kids came down and had their first experience with Kaptain Splash and her sing-along crew in Splashville. So I'm independently funding this entire first season, and this is where I really need your help. If you contribute to this campaign, you will be helping with production costs, animation, pre-production, post-production, studio time, and a whole bunch of other costs. I really can't wait for you to help me bring Kaptain Splash to the big screen so kids can have an experience with water and also make a big splash in Splashville with all of our sing-along friends.
Hope to see you soon.